Today, we're diving into the details of two popular trading platforms, eToro and Webull. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, choosing the right platform is crucial. 1. Platform Overview. eToro is a global trading platform best known for its social trading features, where you can copy top investors' trades. Webull, on the other hand, targets tech-savvy traders, offering sleek, data-rich tools with zero commission trades. 2. Asset Options. eToro offers a wide range of assets, including stocks, ETFs and Forex. Webull provides stocks, ETFs, options, and crypto trading. 3. Fees and Commissions. Both eToro and Webull have no commission on stocks and ETFs but charges minimal fees on crypto. 4. User Interface. eToro, intuitive and user-friendly, making it ideal for beginners. Webull, sleek, customizable, and loaded with analytical tools, perfect for advanced traders. 5. Social trading features. eToro, a standout with its copy trader feature, letting users mimic successful trader strategies. Webull lacks social trading features but has a robust community forum for discussion. 6. Educational resources. eToro offers a solid range of tutorials, articles, and a virtual portfolio for practice. Webull focuses more on market news and data but also includes demo trading. 7. Regulation and safety. eToro, heavily regulated worldwide, including in the U.S., EU, and Australia. Webull, regulated in the U.S., and insured by SIP for added protection. 8. Cryptocurrency support. eToro supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies and even offers its wallet for storage. Webull supports crypto trading but with fewer coin options and no dedicated wallet. So, which platform fits your needs? If you love social trading and a broader asset range, eToro might be your pick. If you're after advanced tools and zero commissions, Webull is the way to go. Let us know in the comments which one you prefer and why. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more financial insights.